Uba pol do habekran bikala patai kubor ulong ba hakata masa Cherry Blossom Festival. Anuan matsaki omtang nagi padba naga naga jela ne nakaleng jongkari India. Rewat ki breu ki banaki wei pat kiri. Ulong bayakan ni kata masa mantang kenti ane trailang bat kari Japan bat gamat pedang jong kata masa kadai Year of Legends. Bat yaki tiket na kabentagan ni kata masa on yo naka book my show. Menteri Sarkar ulih tu berkindan buon ki kan huntem bat banruai ki bermana syembentah haga Cherry Blossom Festival ki berkentuk ke Bonnie M ka Kanika Kapoor, Jaslyn Royal ke Queen Sensation na Russia kon na Slovakia bat ki bagi. Uba poleng do ulo ang mementah ka snem mani iru i kejinguan pai kan santem ya ke kenhuan na kanega jela The Great Society kata hadian like pesan snem. Nalor kani ulo ang manang kabentak ipat ba ki basngo tanat deka K-pop on sapen bana kam hadiah deka kerteng jaga kenhuan barba deka kenhuan ke bapau nam ke bandai ke bah kamat ban pen bernya kata masa on sapen bana kam hadiah.
This year, the Cherry Blossom Festival will be held on the 15th and 16th of November 2024, where, as usual, we expect footfalls to be immense, and we are also expecting travelers not from just the rest of the country, but even internationally. Uh, the this year we will be partnering with Japan, and they will be our official country partner. The year this year's theme for the cherry blossom is the year of legends, and we have a wonderful lineup of artists who will be from various genres that include rock, pop, R&B, Bollywood, indie, and Bollywood pop. Also, we are introducing for the first time new metal and K-pop artists. And among the different headliners, we are honored to welcome Bonnie M with founding member Maisie Williams, who will be embarking on their final tour concert to Shillong. This show is exclusively for Shillong. We will also be graced by the presence of R3 Har, a titan in the EDM scene. Also, Bollywood chart-topping sensations Kanika Kapoor and Jaslyn Royal will be an added attraction. Queen sensation from Russia, which will do covers of the most the well-known band Queen, and Korn SK from Slovakia will be electrifying the audience. This year will also see the return to the stage of our very own great society after a 35-year gap. And their return is sure to enrich the musical heritage of our state and the rest of the country. And our biggest headliner, because of certain reasons, we will not be able to announce immediately today, but he will be performing at the Cherry Blossom Festival, and then will also host shows in Nepal, Thailand, and the Philippines through Rockski EMG for this 10-city Asian tour. Tickets will be available at bookmyshow.com. And today I can safely claim that the footfalls have not only returned but have increased. And as we proceed with the various festivals, the Cherry Blossom Festival, the Brian Adams concert, uh, and others, Alan Walker concert, all of these are going to attract huge footfalls from across the country. And I'm confident that every responsible and well-meaning citizen of Meghalaya will ensure that they behave in a manner which is conducive to peace and prosperity.